Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jeremy, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the BTC price prediction. I posted this on my status that BTC is going to drop below $50,000, and a lot of people are screaming in my DM, but come on now, it shouldn't be like that. You just need to look at the market because the charts never lie. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing you guys historical data and proof and how these things have happened before in the past. And basically I'm just going to be using BTC because it cuts across every asset classes or every trading instrument that it's in the market. So what I want you guys to do is watch this video to the end to get the full picture. All right, and you're going to learn something or two that you can add to your trading journey. So before there is a move in the market, there are signs. All right, so our normal traders on Twitter, they wait for, let's say, a break of structure to the upside or to the downside, a change of character, then you know that the market is about to change direction. But before you get a change of character, there are actual signs that you can see before price begins to move. So those people who see the signs, they call themselves, there's a technique called SMT, which is called the smart money technique. Now, when you understand how to use SMT, you'll be able to see price turning even before it turns. So before people get their change of character, their shift in market structure, you already know that the market is about to turn a long while ago because the charts never lie. So this SMT works with correlating pairs. For example, GU and EU, those pairs are moving in tandem. All right, so these are correlating pairs. It works on gold and silver. It works on S&P 500 and Nasdaq. All right, it works on BTC and Ethereum. So without further ado, right, what I want to do is I want to take you guys through past price data and see how these things have been playing out over and over again. And you should understand that market is fractal. So if I'm showing you anything on the larger time frame, it is applicable on the lower time frame also. So let's go back to BTC. Right now, BTC is at 95k, right? And I'm still expecting price to push up before the dump. So let me show you the first time this thing happened on BTC. Okay, let's see. Let me work with this. Let me select a date. All right, so let's go to 2018. Let's go to 2018. All right, January 11th. So I want to show you how the SMT works, right? So now I'm going to layer this chart with the Ethereum chart, all right, ETH USDT, so you get the glimpse of what I'm saying. Okay, let me quickly change this chart so we'll have something to work with real quick. I don't want this video to be long, all right, so I'm going to be moving real fast. And if you're new here, please kindly subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let's build something wonderful. This is 2026, let's make money. All right, so this is the Ethereum chart layered with what our Bitcoin chart. All right, that's weekly. Let's go to daily. Let's go to the daily chart. Now, this is what I mean by SMT, price movement. Let me show you. On a 4-hour time frame. When price got to this high on BTC, let me draw this. What did you see here? Okay, the line is dark, white, right. You can see this high here, which is on the 17th of December. You can see this high here, Look at the exact same high on Ethereum. Ethereum is the lower chart. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Ethereum is the lower chart. Look at what happened. Ethereum was creating what? An higher high, while BTC was creating a lower high. Now, when this thing happened in the market, it's called a crack in correlation. So the moment you see this happening, just know that market is about to dump. When you see this happening, know the market is about to dump. Guess what happened? Let me play the chart for you guys. Can you see? This thing happens every single time. Now this is on the daily time frame. Look, you can see how many pips happened here. This is from $17,000. Price came down to $5,000 after this SMT was formed. So you can imagine you are on Ethereum and you're not looking at the SMT with Bitcoin. You have a break of structure to the upside. You're expecting to buy. For example, this is your order block here. Maybe when you drop to the lower time frame, you see a very good order block here because this is on the daily time frame. And expecting to buy, price give you a sweet reaction, comes back to your entry, goes back, then take you out, and you're asking, what happened? The reason is because you're not checking your SMT with what? Your BTC. So let me go to another price, a data range again. So let's do this real quick. Let's go to same 2018. Let's go to 2018. I think December 17th. I just want to show you specific time where prices made massive move as a result of what? SMT. Now look at this. Let me go to weekly. I think weekly will make it more clear. Now look at this slow, right? Now if you see how I'm marking this, you would notice that I'm using the close of the candles. Look at this low. Look at this. So on both pairs, it's looking bearish. But once people who understand how to use SMT start seeing this, they'll be like, oh, the market is about to flip upside. This market is about to flip upside. So before you get your change of character, these guys are already positioning their buys. Institutions are already waiting because they're the one controlling the market. So let me play the chart and let's see. So before you start getting your change of character, this guy is already stacking up orders. Let me go to the monthly so it's going to move real fast. Can you see? Just immediately after the SMT, what are you seeing? Price, this is a monthly candle, bro. Imagine you understand SMT and you have a buy here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and you have these extreme bullish moves. And guess what? Price keeps going up. That's the business. That's the business, bro. Price still going up. Now, let's not waste time. Let's not waste time. Let me show you another one. Let's go to select date 2021. 2021 should be December 3rd. Right. Is there an SMT here? Okay, there is an SMT here. And where is the SMT? Look, we had on our BTC creating what? Lower lows, right? But on our Ethereum, what are we having? Market is creating higher high. So that means there's a crack in correlation. It shouldn't happen. It's a sign that price about what? Tank. Guess what? Let's go to weekly. So let's play the candle real fast. Okay, now let me go back to daily first. Can you see? Same thing happened over and over and over again. That's the game, over and over and over again. Once you're able to sight to SMT, regardless of the strategy you're trading, you should add this to your tools, you know, your arsenal, so that you shoot properly. Now, one more. Let's go. Let's not waste time. December. We'll go to 2022 December 26. Now you should know that you can do this on even lower time frames. You can do this on lower time frame and it still works. You can do it on your 4 hours. You can do it on. Now let me show you this. Let's go to weekly. I think weekly will be nice. Let's go to weekly. Now look at this one, was massive on a weekly time frame. All right. At the end of this video, I'll show you guys something. Now this is it. We have Bitcoin on a weekly time frame showing you what? This is a break of structure to the downside. That means BTC is bearish, isn't it? Good. But Ethereum is not giving us a lower low. This is a crack in correlation. If you're here now, a lot of guys, okay, let's even say you're marking weekly, you have a break of structure. Let's say this is entirely the inducement. If you want that, then you want to sell from this zone. Okay, now let's watch what price is going to do. Guess what? It tore past the zone and bullish moves, and the move will continue. Let me go to monthly and let's see how fast it's going to play. These are monthly candles forming just from this SNT, and the price will keep going up. The price will keep going up. These are 41,000. This exact price got to break above what? This 60-70k range. Are you seeing it? That's the power of SMT. Before you can predict the move before the start. So let me show you guys one more, the last one which took the entire BTC to where it is right now. Let me select a date. It should be 2025, right? 2025. Let's go to April 23rd. Now after price broke the structure, right? Let me drag this here. Guess what we had on the weekly? Guess what? Are you guys not seeing it? Look what we had on the weekly. Look how massive the shift is, the crack in correlation. This low here, this low here. BTC was giving us high. Ethereum was giving us what? Lower low. It was breaking structure to the downside. That is a crack in correlation. And this time, BTC was around 93k. Price side spooling upwards, spooling upwards, spooling upwards, spooling. Let's go to the monthly. That's when we had our 100k. Price was massive, right? Good. Now let me show you where we are currently. All I've been showing you guys are SMT on the daily, SMT on the weekly, SMT daily on SMT weekly. Now let's go to yearly. Now this is the game. On the yearly time frame, this is the entirety of BTC and Ethereum. Look what we are having here, guys. See, pay attention. Look at what we are having here. Look at what we are having here. This is SMT. BTC is creating higher highs. Look at what this one is creating. Can you see it? Let me zoom in so you see properly. This is the close. This is the close, guys. This is the close. Higher high, lower low. We have a yearly SMT formed. Look at how price it moves when we have just weekly SMTs. Now we have a yearly SMT. What do you think market is about to do? Now let me pull this down. Let's focus on BTC for now. If you're trading CRT, candle range theory, market has swept this high, right? Forget the time frame. Forget the time frame. When market sweep this high and close below the high, you have your CRT high and you have your what? CRT low. Just check something out with me. You have a what? CRT low here. This CRT low, the price range on CRT low, check it out, is what? $38,500. $38,000. That's the low of this CRT candle. This is 2024 candle. This is the entire of 2025. And it closed below the high of 2024. Now let's still watch. There is a yearly order block. Now let's say you're trading ICT where you use the CE. That means the 50% of the order block. The 50% is located where? $31,000. All of these are below 50K. Let's say you're trading MSNR. This is an open close, which underlines itself with the order block. So a lot of confluence. Now there's an order block here. There's an open close level here. There is a CRT low here. All of these zones are clustered below 50K. What do you think market is about to do? Market is about to tank to this. There is SMT. There is, come on now. Look at fair value gap waiting for you. So the rally that you guys are seeing right now is just a rally to a higher zone before the market start dumping. So if we drop down to 1 month, we drop down to 1 month on BTC. Let's go to weekly. Okay, I think we'll be clear on daily. I want to show you guys. Okay, let's go back to weekly. After we had this break of structure to the upside, we had this break again to the upside. Price took out this high. I think I consider this a break. Then we had what is called what? A change of character, isn't it? So this is our strong high here. Then we had this low. Price came and rejected, you had this low. If you drop down to a daily, you'd be able to see a daily range. Right, let me switch to this. So that means we literally had a break of structure here, right? So where is our range now? Our range is from this high to this low. These are 50% premium and discount. Where is price likely to come? Possibly here. You get, so all we are seeing right now is a bullish rally to align to what the higher time frame is saying. But normally what you would do as a trader is this. Let's say you're marking your basic market structure. What are you seeing? You're seeing markets creating what? Higher highs, right? You see markets create higher highs higher highs, right? So what are you expecting? Higher highs. But guess what? Market is going to just tap within this region, then dump. Because of what? What is happening on the higher time frame. So if you have crypto, this is not a financial advice. Do what you want to do. So if you've gotten to this part of this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends who need to know a little about what is ongoing in the crypto markets. You know, the world is about to change. CBDC is coming. A lot of speculations are dropping. There are some things I don't want to say in this video. That is the reason I solely believe, apart from technical analysis, the price is actually going to dump. And one more thing, if you're an ICT trader and you studied some of his old materials, there's something they call the tree drive pattern. All right, the tree drive pattern, if you check it, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So the market is already exhausted. When price gets to this point, we're expecting it to tank below this place. So thank you for watching. There are going to be more content dropping on this channel, so stay around. Let's have fun together, right? It's the boy Jeremy. See you in the next video.